Hey there, the learners. Do you ever wonder how your phone knows which songs you want to listen to? Or how some toys seem to know what you are thinking? Well, it's all thanks to something called artificial intelligence. That's right, your phone and those toys are using AI to figure things out and do cool stuff. In this lab, we're gonna explore what AI is all about. So put on your lab coats and get ready to learn. First up, let's talk about what AI actually is. Well, it's pretty simple, really. AI, or artificial intelligence, is when machines or computers are designed to think and learn like humans. That means they can understand and respond to the world around them, solve problems, and even have conversations, just like us. But how do these machines learn to do all those things? Well, it's all thanks to algorithms. You know, those step-by-step instructions that you follow to make a delicious snack or build a robot. Yeah, those algorithms are like recipes for computers. They give the computer step-by-step instructions on how to do something specific. And the more instructions you give it, the more the computer learns and the better it gets at doing that thing. It's kind of like teaching a dog a new trick. The more you practice, the better you get. But AI can do so much more than just follow instructions. Some AIs can even learn from their mistakes, just like you. When you learn something new, your brain stores that information and uses it to help you make decisions in the future. And guess what? Some AIs do the same thing. They use their past experiences to help them make better decisions in the future. So what does this mean for us humans? Well, AI is already helping us do amazing things, like fighting diseases, exploring space, and even making art. In the future, AI might help us solve even bigger problems, like climate change or finding new sources of energy. But it's not all just fun and games. We need to be careful about how we use AI. It's important to remember that AI is only as good as the people who create it. If we don't use AI wisely and with kindness, it could end up causing harm. So what can you do to make sure you're using AI responsibly? Well, first up, make sure you stay curious. Ask lots of questions and never stop learning. AI is all about using knowledge to make things better. So the more you know, the better you'll be at using AI responsibly. Also, make sure you're kind. Always remember that AI is just a tool, and it is up to us to use it wisely and with kindness. So what do you think of the future of AI? Will you help shape it? Or will you be part of the robot revolution? Just kidding. Maybe not that last one. Thanks for joining me in the lab today, little learners. If you like learning about AI, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. And remember, the more you know, the more you can do. Until next time, happy learning.